Did you know that the beautiful colors of a peacock feather that we see is not really there? In fact, the peacock feather has only one color, and that is melanin, which is seen now under a microscope when illuminated from below. This melanin is there even for us in our hair as well as skin. Then why does it have these many colors like you're seeing now? Now this is illuminated from side, and when you do that, the magic happens. All the colors, all the beautiful blues, greens, and all that come up. Why does it happen? It is called iridescence, and the reason is not any pigment but keratin, the same keratin that we have in our nails as well as hair. And how does that work? Because in a peacock's feather, the keratin is stacked like a deck of cards, and that structure will help the light to bounce off these layers at different speeds. And even the melanin present will absorb some and give this final effect. Basically, what you're seeing is not a blue or a green or a mixed color of feather, rather just a brown feather wrapped in a glass structure, and it is actually designed to play with light and with our minds. Now we'll just enjoy all these patterns for some time in low power as well as high power of a microscope, and I'll leave you there to enjoy. No more narration.